Hi, I'm Harshit and this is my submission for the RaftLabs Software Developer Intern assessment. I have built a CinemaDirectory using Next.js 14, App Router and Tailwind CSS. To show the top 250 movies, I have added pagination since API gives limited results. This next button lets user browse the full list smoothly. I have also added search and filter. In the search box, you can directly type the movie name and search it. Also, you can filter it by the genre, just like action. This will update the URL instantly. If I click a movie, it opens a detail page. It shows the rating, backdrop, and I have added a share button for better interaction. In the code, I used a static approach. In this file, I fetched data from TMDB and caches it for 1 hour. This makes site very fast without needing a database. For the movie pages, I used generate static params. This pre-builds the popular pages so they'd load instantly. I have documented all the things related to the project like live link or text tag, datasets I used, features and scopes, AI prompts I used, and if I had 2 more days, what improvement I do. So everything I documented in the README file. And this site is deployed on Vercel. Thank you for your time and I'm looking forward for your feedback.